Hi guys, I'm back with another tutorial showing you all how I achieved this super defined, bouncy and moisturized wash and go using Eco Styler's black castor and flaxseed oil gel. I also use a water and conditioner mixture in a spray bottle and Cantu's curling cream. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna add some water and some of that Cantu curling cream to just help moisturize my hair. And then you'll see me start to add the gel, and notice that when I add the gel in order to get it super defined, I literally kind of add it to the whole or part of the section, and then I just kind of go through piece by piece and just make sure that it is on my hair, and I kind of use my fingers to basically run that product, the gel, through each strand of my hair. You're gonna see me continue to do this. So to each piece, I'm gonna continue to add water, add the curling cream, and then I'm gonna add the gel in that order. And then after I add the gel to the whole section, piece by piece, I literally will just kind of go through and just continue to make sure that the gel is on each strand of my hair, if I can help it, if that makes sense. Now, I do want to say that I feel like it looks tedious, but it really is not, because you're moving kind of really fast and just making sure that all the pieces of your hair are coated with gel. And it normally takes me, I would say, maybe about 45 minutes tops to do this super defined wash and go. So definitely something super easy to do, and it does not take a lot of time. And it also will last for me longer than what a normal wash and go, without making sure that each strand of my hair is coated would. This style normally lasts about a week for me, with it still looking really good and super defined. I slowed it down here so that you all are able to kind of see just a close-up of how the strands look when you are making sure that you're running the gel through the entire shaft of your hair. Now, this is my go-to gel. I don't care what anybody says. If you got a problem with Eco Styler, you can go ahead and leave the page now, because I'm gonna keep using it. It makes my hair super bouncy. It keeps it moisturized. So y'all, I mean, it's a go for me when it comes to this one. This is my favorite wave of all of them. I tried the olive oil one. It just makes my hair crunchy, so wasn't using that one. And then the gold one, that is probably my number 2, because that one also makes my hair moisturized. But this one, I don't know. I just really like this one better. I feel like it's more moisturizing, in my opinion. Let me know though if you all would like to see a tutorial of a wash and go with me using the gold Eco Styler. So back to the video. You'll see me just pretty much continue to do the same thing over and over again, which is add some water and conditioner, because of course, as you all can see, my hair is getting back dry. I do have very thick hair. And then I'll add the curling cream, and then I'll add the gel, and I'll go back through and just kind of finger through the parts. And I'll just keep doing that again and again and again. I know when I first started doing wash and goes, for me, I literally, guys, literally failed 1,001 times. It was every single time, this is not working for me. I cannot do a wash and go. My hair is too thick. But I will say that you just have to find the product that works best for your hair, because the more that I continue to try different things, the better my wash and goes got. And something else for me that I know really changed the game was actually going through the parts. I don't know why, but I was at first I was kind of scared to basically put the product all the way through, and it really makes no sense. So I really don't know why I was not doing that. But basically, me kind of making sure that it's getting on all the strands of my hair really helps, so that my hair is super moisturized, and my wash and goes are at this point really lit. So I mean, you just have to continue trying, because I failed 1,000,001 times, literally. I mean, listen, okay? So, keep on trying, girl. You'll get it. You'll get it. Especially if you have thicker hair and you're in like the type 4s, I feel like this method works best. So definitely try it on out. Okay, so this is about my halfway point. So I'm going to show you all what the curls look like close up here. And I'm going to come back when I'm all the way done. I'm all the way done here. This is what it looks like right after I'm done. The side that I started on is semi-dry at this point. I'm going to show you all what it looks like in the back and how defined my hair is. Excuse those little gel pieces. That's going to dry right on up, so we're going to act like we ain't even see that right there. But yeah, so I'm all done here. I'm going to come back when my hair is pretty much all the way dry. I was talking about with my friend right here how my hair is about to shrink up, because you all know shrinkage is the worst. Alright, and this is the finished look. My hair is about 90% dry at this point. So yes, guys, I'm loving these results. I love the way that it turned out. It turns out like this every single time, guys. You have got to try it. Make sure that you all comment below. Let me know of any other styles that you all would like to see. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my YouTube, because there will be more videos. And always, guys, peace and love, and I will see you all soon.